Last study. Start. We have also perused the decisions of this court. We find that the appellant was not assisted by any lawyer, and perhaps he was not aware of the fact that the minimum sentence provided under the statute was 10 years rigorous imprisonment and a fine of rupees 1 lakh. Stop. We are therefore of the opinion that in the circumstances the matter should go back to the tribunal. Stop. The appellant, if not represented by a lawyer, may make a request to the court to provide him with a lawyer under section 304 of the Criminal Procedure Code or under any other legal aid scheme, and the court may proceed with the trial afresh after recording a plea on the charges. Stop. The appeal is allowed accordingly. Stop. The order of conviction and sentence passed by the special court and confirmed by the High Court are set aside and de novo trial is ordered hereby. Stop para. The X decision on the point in which the apex court substantially held that free legal services to an indigent accused does not arise only when the trial commences, but also attaches when the accused for the first time is produced before the magistrate. Stop para. The apex court also relied upon in this decision the decision of the apex court in Hussain Ara Khatun's case, in which the right to free legal services was held to be an essential ingredient of reasonable, fair and just procedure for a person accused of an offence, and also held implicit in the guarantee of Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Stop. The relevant paragraph being 4 and 5 are quoted as under. Stop para. The right to free legal services is clearly an essential ingredient of reasonable, fair and just procedure for a person accused of an offence, and it is implicit in the guarantee of Article 21. Stop. The state government cannot avoid its constitutional obligation to provide free legal services to a poor accused by pleading financial or administrative inability. Stop. The state is under a constitutional mandate to provide free legal aid to an accused person who is unable to secure legal services on account indigence, and whatever is necessary for this purpose has to be done by the state. Stop para. Moreover, this constitutional obligation to provide free legal services to an indigent accused does not arise only when the trial commences, but also attaches when the accused is for the first time produced before the magistrate. Stop. That is the stage at which an accused person needs competent legal advice and representation, and no procedure can be said to be reasonable, fair, and just which denies legal advice and representation to him at this stage. Stop para. The magistrate or the session judge before whom the accused appears is under an obligation to inform the accused that if he is unable to engage the services of a lawyer on account of poverty or indigence, he is entitled to obtain free legal services at the cost of a state. Stop. Necessary directions to magistrates, sessions judge, and the state government with guidelines given. Stop.